Hi, good morning my dear students. Welcome to your English Literature online classes. Students, in previous session you wrote word meaning and made sentences in your classwork copy. I hope you have written and learned them also. Now today you are going to write who said this to whom and answer the following questions in your copy. So please take out your English 2 classwork copy. Now children, take out a new page. Okay? Take out a new page and left side of the margin line at the top. Can you see here? Can you see? You have to write the date here. Okay? You have to write the date here. Okay? Now children, I am using the pen but you use the pencil. Okay? So this side of the margin line, you have to write the date. Clear? You have to write the date. Next, after writing the date, you have to write who said this and to whom. Okay? Let's write, children. Who said, S-A-I-D, said. After writing who, write said, S-A-I-D, said. Who said, after writing said, this, T-H-I-S, this. Who said this? T-H-I-S, this. Who said this and? After writing this, write and. A-N-D. And. To whom? W-H-O-M. So children, write this. Who said this and to whom? After writing whom, put question mark like this. Okay? So put question mark here like this. Okay? Who said this and to whom? Okay? You have to write who said this and to whom. Who said this and to whom? Now, the first question is, who said to whom? Who said this to whom? The first question is, yes, she is Rama. Her father is a security guard of her apartment. This is the first question. So, how you are going to write, children? First, write A. A. Okay? Write A. Okay? After writing who said this and to whom, draw the line like this with the pencil, underline the heading. Okay? And then write A. Let's write now. Now. Yes. Y. E-S, yes, comma. After writing yes, comma, she is, yes, she is Rama. R A M A, Rama. Yes, she is Rama. Full stop. Her father is Her father is the security guard. Spelling of security. Children, security. Security. Okay. Yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard. G U A R D, security. Okay, security. GUARD, security guard. Spelling of guard, GUARD, security guard of our apartment. Spelling of apartment, children, APARTMENT, apartment. So the question is, yes, she is Rama, full stop. Her father is the security guard of her apartment. Spelling of apartment, APARTMENT, apartment. After that, inverted commas. Okay, children? After that, write inverted commas. Close inverted comma. Like this. And full stop. Full stop. And close inverted commas. Clear? So, what is the question, children? What is the question? Okay. Can you see the inverted commas here? This side? This is the inverted commas. Before yes. And here. This is open inverted comma, close inverted comma. And after apartment, put full stop. Put full stop. This is the question. Yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. The question is, yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. This is the question. Okay, so write this question first and then afterward write the answer. Okay, write the answer now. This is answer A, children. Who said this and to whom? Can you tell who said this to whom? This sentence? Who said this sentence and to whom? Can you say it, children? Do you know who said? Correct. Jia said to Hussain. Jia said this sentence to Hussain, isn't it? So, Jia said to Hussain. So, what you are going to write, children? Answer, Jia. G-I-A. Jia said to Hussain. Okay, so who said this to and to whom? Jia said to Hussain. H-U-S-S-A-I-N, Hussain. S-U-S-S-A-I-N, Hussain. So children, the question is, yes, after yes, write comma, she is Rama. Full stop. Her father is the security guard of her apartment. Security spelling S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y. Once again, S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y. Security guard, G-U-A-R-D, guard. G-U-A-R-D, guard of our apartment. Apartment spelling A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, apartment. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, apartment. Yes, she is Rama.
Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Okay. So who said this and to whom, children? Jia said to Hussein. Jia said to Hussein. Okay. So right answer, Jia said to Hussein. This is answer. Okay. Answer A. If you want, you can write answer also. Answer A. You can write answer A. Then it will be clear. Okay. So who said this, children? Jia said to Hussein. Now let's write the next question. Question number B. Okay. Let's write the next question. Question number B. So let's write, children. First write B here. Okay. Write B like this. And then let's start. Again inverted commas. Didi. Didi. D-I-D-I. What is the spelling of Didi? D-I-D-I. Didi. Again comma. I love to come. Now children, this exercise is given in your book. Okay. Just open page number 27. Okay. Question exercise 1. Okay. Just open page number 27 of your book. Exercise 1. Okay. Who said this to whom is given in your book. Okay. So Didi, I love to come here. H-E-R-E here. I love to come here. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Okay. I love to come here every day. Okay. I love to come here every day. D-A-Y. Day. Again. I love to come here every day. Full stop. I want to go to school too. I-W-A-N-T. I want to go to to school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. So spelling of school, S-C-H-O-O-L. School. I want to go to school too. I want to go to school too. Full stop. I want to read books like you. Again write I. The question is. Okay. I want to read to read books like you. I want to read R-E-A-D. Read books. Books. Spelling of books. B-O-O-K-S. Books like you. Children, books like you. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. This is the question. Okay. So this is the question. Full stop. And then close inverted commas. Okay. Now children, the question is, Didi, I love to come here every day. Okay? I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. Now this is the question. Can you see? 3-line questions. Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. Okay? So this is the question, children. Can you see? This is the question. Now let's write the answer now. Now children, who can say this sentence? Who can say? Who can say this sentence? Correct. Who said, children? Can you say? Rama said to Jia. Isn't it? Rama said this, na? Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school. Who wants to go to school, children? Do you remember who wants to go to school? Yes, Rama wants to go to school. I want to read books like you. I want to read books like you. So who wants to read books like Jia? Rama. Rama. Isn't it? So this sentence, who said this sentence? Rama said to Jia. Isn't it? Who said, children? Rama said to Jia. Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. So children, can you see this question? So this is the question. Now, let's write the answer. So better you write answer first. Answer. And then in bracket you can write B. Like this. Okay. So who said this, children? Rama said to Jia. R-A-M-A. Rama said to Jia. Isn't it? Jia. Rama said to Jia. The answer is Rama said to Jia. Who said this, children? Rama said to Jia. This is the answer. Answer B, Rama said to Jia. Now, after writing answer B, let's write the next question, question number C. Now, question number C is C. Again, inverted comma, children. Do you know her? Do you know her? Question. Now here put question mark and then close inverted commas. Okay? Do you know her? Do you know her? This is the question. Do you know her? Do you know her? Now, can you tell, children, who said this and to whom? Can you tell? So here, who has asked? Here, do you know her? This is a question. See, question mark is here, no? This, can you see? This is the question mark. So who asks this and to whom? Who asks this question to and to whom? Isn't it? Because question mark is here, no? So who asks this? Who asks this and to whom? Do you know her? Do you know her? Who asked? Can you? So children, who asked? Can you tell, children? Who asked this question to and to whom? Can you tell? Yes, correct. Hussain asked Jia. H-U-S-S-A-I-N. Hussain asked Jia. Hussain asks Jia, isn't it? Full stop. So children, question number A is yes. She is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Now children, can you see inverted commas here? So this is inverted comma. Then yes. After yes also comma is there. She is Rama. Spelling of Rama, R-A-M-A, Rama. R-A-M-A, Rama. Her father is the security guard. Security spelling S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y. Security guard, G-U-A-R-D, guard of our apartment. Apartment spelling A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, apartment. Then after apartment, put full stop. Can you see? Put full stop here and then close inverted commas. So this is the question. Yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of her apartment. This is the question, children. Okay. Then answer A. Answer A. Who said this sentence to whom? Jia said to Hussain. Jia said to Hussain. Isn't it? Jia spelling G-I-A. Jia said to Hussain. H-U-S-S-A-I-N. And after Hussain, put full stop. Can you see full stop here? So you have to put the full stop here. Okay. This is answer A. Answer is A is Jia said to Hussain. Jia said to Hussain. Now next question. Again inverted commas. Can you see Didi? After Didi, can you see this comma? Right comma. I love to come here every day. After day, put full stop. Can you see this full stop? After day, put full stop. I want to go to school too. Now, can you see this two? T-O-O-2. T-O-O-2. Okay, after two, again put full stop. I want to read books like you. Can you see? I want to read books like you. After you, put full stop again and close inverted comma. Can you see? So remember children, in who said to him, you have to write the commas. Can you see? So commas. So this is the question. Didi, I love to come here every day, full stop. I want to go to school too, full stop. I want to read books like you. Okay, so this is the question. Then write the answer. Now who said this to whom? Answer B. Rama said to Jia. Who said, children? Rama said to Jia. R-A-M-A. Rama said to Jia. G-I-A. G-I-A. Jia. Rama said to Jia. Clear? Now next question is question number C. Do you know her? Question mark. Now children, can you see here? Can you see? Your question mark is there. It means who asked this? If the question mark is there, then you have to say who asked this. No, you have to write who asked. Here the question is asked. Who do you know her? Do you know her? Do you know her? Question mark. Then close inverted comma, open inverted comma. Can you see? Can you see the inverted commas here? So do you know her? Question mark. Do you know her? Question mark. So this is this. Can you see this? This is question. No. So who asked this? Who asked this? And to whom? So answer C is Hussain asked Jia. Hussain asked Jia. Here you have to write ask. Ask. Hussain asked Jia. Because here somebody is asking. Do you know her? Do you know her? So you have to write asked here. Hussain asked Jia. Hussain asked Jia. Because Hussain is asking, no? To Jia. So do you know her? So Hussain is asking here. To whom? To Jia. Hussain asked Jia. Hussain asked Jia. So today you wrote who said this to whom? A, B and C. 3 A, B and C. Okay? A, B and C. Okay? Only 3 are there. Only 3 questions are there. Okay? Who? Yes, she is Rama. Father is the security guard of our apartment. This who said? Jia said to Hussain. Next, Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. Who said? Rama said to Jia. Okay, who said this to whom? Rama said to Jia. Next, C, do you know her? Now here somebody asked. Here who asked this and to whom? So Hussein asked Jia. Hussein asked Jia. Okay, so how many questions are there? Three. Three are there. A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay, only three questions are there. These questions are given in your book in page number 27. So children, only three questions are there. And who said to whom? Now, after writing this, let's write answer the following question. Answer the following question. Now children, start from new page. Okay, start from new page. Write answer A N S W E R. Answer. A N S W E R. Answer the T H E. The following. F O L L O W I N G. Answer the following. F O L L O W I N G. Following questions. Q U E S T I O N S. Answer the following questions. So children, the heading is answer the following questions. Okay, write answer the following questions. Now, underline. Answer the following question. The pencil. Draw the line. Answer the following question. Now, let's write the first question. Now, children, question answers are not given in your book. Okay. I have made my own question answers. So, please write down. Question number 1 first. Question number 1. Question number 1 is what? W H A T. What was? W A S. Was Rama. R A M A. Rama doing what was Rama doing near? N E A R. Near the T H E D. Near the wall. What was Rama? What was Rama doing near the wall? What was Rama? Question mark. So children, question number 1. Question number 1. What was Rama doing near the wall? This is question number 1. Question number 1 is what was Rama doing near the wall? Okay. Can you see this question? What was Rama doing near the wall? This is question number 1. Question number 1. Now, let's write the answer. The answer is Rama. First write answer like this. A N S. Answer. Then write 1. Rama. R A M A. Rama was grazing. W A S. Was grazing. G R A Z I N G. Her goat was grazing her goat near the wall. Near, near the wall. Full stop. What was Rama doing near the wall? What was Rama doing near the wall? Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. Okay. What was Rama doing near the wall? The question is, what was Rama doing near the wall? Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. Full stop. Children, after wall, write full stop. Now, spelling of grazing, Grazing. 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 So, Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. This is the answer, children. This is the answer. After writing the answer, draw the line. Draw the line, children. Draw the line. Okay. So, what was Rama doing near the wall? What was Rama doing near the wall? Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. Rama was grazing her goat near the wall. This is the answer. And the spelling Grazing. The spelling of grazing is Grazing. Okay? So, children, today you did who said this and to whom, and answer the following question. Question number 1. Okay? Question number 1. Rest of the questions I'll give you in the next session. Okay? In the next session, I'll give you the rest of the questions. So, today you did who said this to whom and answer the following questions. So, today's homework is learn who said this to whom and question number 1. Okay? All the questions of who said this and to whom, learn all these who said this to whom and question number 1. Question number 1. This is today's homework. Learn who said this to whom and answer the following question. Question number 1. Okay? So learn. First write in your copy and then learn. Remember, children, learn the spellings also. Okay? Learn the spellings, all important. Spellings also, please learn. Learn the spellings also. So this homework is learn who said this to whom and answer the following question. Question number 1. Thank you and have a nice day.